Hello people of YouTube. Today we are at the beach. And you know what we find at beaches in the UK? Seagulls. Look at that seagull over there. Zoom in on it. Good cameraman, good. Now. Seagulls. Not nice creatures. That's why we're gonna go tame them. Yeah, seagull. Are you zoomed properly? Cameraman, what are you doing?
Okay, there you go.
Look at me.
Okay.
You ready? Follow me.
Let's tame a seagull!
I'm supposed to be in the video, it's my channel.
You're a bit close, mate, you're a bit close.
Yep. I like this one.
Oh, I don't like this one. Let's go.
That one. You ready?
Yeah, go on.
Don't stay behind me, cameraman. I am the face of the channel, not you, do you understand?
You're a bit close. Right, here we go. It's running away.
I can see if it's running. Take that one. There.
What, that one on the wall?
Yes.
Fine.
There.
Say, come on, boy, like Arthur Morgan.
It's right up hard enough, I can fly too.
Obviously, I don't think you should record this video.
I think I should. You're going to take me down.
But you should turn off the comments then.
I'm not turning off comments.
You did on the other one about Squid Game 3.
I turn them back. The seagull's on the star here. I am.
You know, you sound like a real jerk right now.
Yeah, I sound like a jerk. Ace.
Good one, mate. Just
No. As you see, I see seagulls are endangered, but really are rats in the sky.
Yeah.
Do you like rats?
I mean, depends if they're key ones.
Are they humans? No, they're rats.
A bit like you then. Alright, come on.
No. I'm Sunek.
Soon it's a bit of a rat, isn't he? Getting a load of this guy's cat. Hey, is that how this barking for you?
So far pretty successful.
Three. How many have you tamed?
3.
3. Alright, what about that one by the bin over there? Let me just do that. Alright, there we go. You see it? There we go. Just get back. Alright, slow. Oh, you missed. You missed.
See, I went by the shower.
Turn it on. Turn the shower on.
In a wee. No. We're at the beach.
Yeah?
I'm not showering.
You need one, you smell like BA, mate.
You know what?
What?
I hope your TikTok with 18 followers doesn't grow if you're going to be me.
I'm sorry.
Keep the camera on me.
I am, it is on
I
you.
am the star.
It is on you, bro. What's my TikTok channel called?
I forgot.
Us. I think it's like Jimbo Jam, the best or something. I
don't care. No! It's fine. Turn it around. See any seagulls?
Yeah.
Where?
I'm literally right in front of you. Tell me, why are you trying to tame a seagull then?
We're saving the seagulls.
Or are you going to make them like, you know?
We're going to train them to not eat food.
Yeah, or they're going
To give food to the homeless.
But they're going to starve then?
If they're not going to starve, we'll give them fish.
Oh, fish.
They like fish. That's why I have a beach. There are goldfish in the ocean.
Yeah, I'm going to take off my Crocs in a minute.
No. Give me the camera then.
Hold on.
Are these... James, if else has gone back out in the water, you going in?
Yeah, I was recording this for Luke.
We're taming a seagull now, so.
Oh, there's one. This one's on the run. What are you going to do about it?
We're going to tame it.
Oh, God. Oh. There it is. What? You giving up?
I give up.
You give up?
Out for the ocean.
Watching the ocean, are we?
Watching the ocean.
Aye.
This is. Yeah, I think we've done very well today.
I don't think we have.
I don't care. I wasp. I wasp. Yes. Wasp. There's a really scary wasp. That's about all for today.
Give me a mention.
We'll be there in a minute. Huh? Yeah, okay, we'll be there in a minute.
Right, that's all today, yeah.
Watch my other stuff. Bye.
I also subscribe on TikTok.